How to stop selfie flipping on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the Camera Settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, scroll down to the Composition section. And then, turn on the mirror front camera feature as shown. This will stop all the selfies you take on your phone to stop flipping. Using the same steps, you can enable or disable the feature according to your preference. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily stop selfie flipping on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.